Wicksteed has been the market leader in the design and manufacture of outdoor play and fitness areas for over 100 years. When you buy Wicksteed, you're buying British designed and manufactured products. Products that are precision engineered, and lovingly hand finished. Products that are installed and inspected by our specialist engineers to ensure compliance with British and European safety standards. In the design of our equipment, our in-house engineers and manufacturing team maintain an intense focus on quality, reliability, and sustainability. With Wicksteed, you discover the meaning of built to last. You can be confident your next Wicksteed playground will provide pleasure for multiple generations. And as you'd expect, we provide extensive guarantees on all of our products. With every single product, we consider how the materials, components, and structural design work in harmony to deliver innovative play equipment that's inclusive and fun. A painstaking dedication to quality is pivotal at each stage of your product's development. Wicksteed's team is renowned for their meticulous attention to detail and the high-quality standards used to select materials, manufacturing processes, and performance. From the preliminary concept using the latest in CAD design to production using state-of-the-art CNC machining and laser cutting, through to painstaking hand finishing of the final product. It's our strive for perfection that guides us. Everything we do reflects our drive and commitment towards the creation of remarkable and inspirational outdoor spaces. Get in touch today and take advantage of our free playground design and consultation, and let Wicksteed transform your play and recreational spaces.